Are you looking for a microcap crypto gem that could 100x in 2021? If so, this video is for you. Hi, this is Brandon with Crypto Trades and Tech, and today I'm going to reveal the projects I think have the highest possibility to 100x in 2021. So without further ado, the first project on my list is VeChain. Now you notice if we take a look over here at CoinMarketCap, VeChain has a market cap of nearly $1 billion already. So a 100x to $100 billion is going to be a tall order. So I'm not sure that that will be sustainable, but it could certainly spike to those levels. And why is that? Well, if you recall in 2020, we had a lot of news about supply chain disruptions. And in 2021, as things like vaccines are rolled out, supply chains are going to become more and more critical. And so what VeChain is aiming to do, as we read here, it's a blockchain-powered supply chain platform that began in 2015, and it aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things, or IoT technology, to create an ecosystem which solves some of the major problems with supply chain management. Now, I believe the supply chain is going to be a big topic heading into 2021, given the changes that have happened in the world in 2020. So I think VeChain has a lot of potential for 2021. They've also made some news recently. If we take a look over here at VeChain's website, their blockchain as a service platform called Toolchain was reportedly easier to roll out for some customers than the major incumbents in the space. So I think there's a lot of potential hype for VeChain in 2021. Back to our list, number 2 on the list is going to be the smallest project of the bunch, and that's Vector Space AI. Now again, I want to be clear, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion on projects that I'm interested in. Now, Vector Space AI, or VXV, is truly a microcap with a cap of only 12.5 million, with a 50 million VXV circulating total supply. And that market cap is up recently. Now, I shared this chart in a tweet recently. It looks like VXV is actually wanting to break out of a descending pattern. If you notice at the bottom right here, we had the breakout of the descending wedge, a bit of a retest, and we're looking to resume out of this area. And this is versus Bitcoin. Now, taking a look at Vector Space's website, we see here that they're set to provide on-demand correlation matrix data sets for hidden relationship detection in data and training in artificial intelligence systems. Now, that's quite a mouthful. Let's get the flavor of it here. They quote this Harvard Business Review that the next big breakout around AI will be around language. And as they state here, while data might be the new oil, the data set is the refined gasoline that powers every machine learning, ML, and AI operation. They focus on context-controlled NPL, or natural language processing, and NLU, or natural language understanding, and feature engineering for hidden relationship detections in data. So, again, that's quite a mouthful, but they're providing a very valuable service when it comes to feeding AI-driven systems information that they can use, fundamentally. If we go to their news section, you see they've made quite a bit of news in 2020 with different partnerships that are making use of their correlated data sets. For example, most recently, Vector Space AI, in partnership with CloudQuant, announced the availability of novel data sets that reveal the relationships between global equity products. Vector Space AI datasets are designed to boost precision, accuracy, signal, or alpha based on natural language processing and understanding, NLP, NLU, using the VXX utility token wallet-enabled API. So VXV is a fun AI project, a lot of potential upside, the largest upside of this list, but also the most speculative play of this list. Also note that VXV is available on very few exchanges currently. Check CoinMarketCap. You can check under market pairs for any of these projects as to where you can trade and acquire these tokens. Okay, next on my list is a competitor to one of my favorites, Link. Now, API 3 is aiming to provide fully decentralized blockchain native APIs for providing information to smart contracts and other blockchain-enabled applications. Going back here to coin market cap, we see that they have a market cap of only 35 million, so a very, very small market cap as well. Now, as I said before, they're looking to set up fully decentralized blockchain native APIs. We go on to read here, which will be set up, managed, insured, and monetized at scale by the API 3 DAO. With D APIs, API 3 aims for the concept of an API to take the next evolutionary step to meet the inevitably strict decentralization requirements of Web 3.0 without employing third-party intermediaries, for example, Chainlink. API 3 provides smart contract developers with Oracle data feeds that are free of middlemen, source transparent, truly decentralized, and quantifiably secure. Now, credit for bringing this project to my attention goes to Elio Trades. I will link his channel below and his first video that I found API 3 information on. A very good video. Alright, and lastly on my list is Engine Coin. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap and take a look about that project. Okay, so you'll see here that Engine Coin makes it also onto the top 100. They're currently ranked 96, and they currently have a market cap of 118 million. So this is the second largest project that we're talking about today, but getting this project up to $1 billion market cap should be no huge feat. And why is that? Well, again, with the stay-at-home trade mentality, we read here that Engine Coin is a project of Engine, a company that provides an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based gaming products. Engine's flagship offering is the Engine Network, a social gaming platform through which users can create websites and clans, chat, and host virtual item stores. Engine allows game developers to tokenize in-game items on the Ethereum blockchain. It uses Engine Coin and ERC20 token to back the digital assets issued using its platform, meaning that items can be bought, sold, or traded with real-world value. Be on the lookout for an upcoming video where we do technical analysis of all these and a few more projects. I do weekly live streams to cover these projects and others, as well as Q&A, so be on the lookout for those as well. If you like the content, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.